Welcome boys and girls as we get ready for map testing. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps that was given to you in your document that looks like this. Please make sure to scroll down once you open this document as you will be following these steps below. This is step number 1, so you'll be clicking here to get started. Please click on the appropriate grade. For us it's going to be grade 2+. The first two over here will give you videos. They will show you helpful tips on what the test is about and what to expect. This next click will take you to the tools where you will see questions that you can work on and practice with using those tools like the calculator. So here would be an example of a question, and I'm just going to click the calculator and then use the calculator to help me. The calculator is not accessible on all questions, but there are a few. Next comes the practice test. Now originally when I clicked it, nothing happened. That was because after clicking it, I would need to scroll down so that way I could actually see the practice test button pop up. It tells you that the username and password will be GROW and you will type them in here. Once this comes up, please select the appropriate grade, subject, language, and test. The tests that you're going to be selecting, there are 2 for reading and 5 for math. Once you select the test and start it, there will be sample questions that you can look at that will allow you to walk through and see what to expect on those tests. The second step on your assignment is very important. We want to make sure your device is ready for the test. Once you click here, it will take you to a step-by-step process to do this. Click Begin. Continue to click as the prompts come up, like Got It and OK. There are tabs that will pop up when you click links. You want to select which device you're going to be taking the test with. For me, it was Windows PC. This is the reminder that came up. I just made sure I clicked OK, I'm ready. The system will run, and once everything is checked off, you will see that up at the top it says the machine has passed the check. I just simply go back now and I select that it is passed, and I click Continue. Now I'm going to check to make sure that the login page will open up on my device. There's a couple prompts here that I need to read, and I just click through. One of them being the prompt, what happens if a login does not appear? Well, it's going to say that maybe a pop-up blocker has shown up and you will need to allow this pop-up to happen. So when I clicked it, I actually had this error pop up, and up at the top you can see that the pop-up was blocked. I just clicked it, then click allow and done. Once the pop-ups are allowed, you should be able to simply close the tab and reopen to try it again. If you don't know how to fix your pop-up blocker, please click here, select the browser that you are using, and it will give you step-by-step directions on how to fix it. But again, once they're fixed, please go back, click Open Up Testing Site, and you should see that the testing site should open, and congratulations, you can now type in a session name and a session password that your teacher will give you so that you can log in for your map testing. Now, step number 3 is practice logging in, and your teacher may have you do a practice logging in one day before the test. And also step 4, which we already did, trying a practice test. Great job on your assignment. You did it. Your device is ready. Let's go rock the test.